The Beelux 1000w LED grow light is an energy-efficient option that provides the same light output as traditional 1000-watt HPS or MH lights, making it perfect for a 4x4-foot grow area. With an enhanced full spectrum that includes additional red lights, this grow light can boost plant yield by 30 to 50%, ensuring year-round blooms and easy harvesting of vegetables and herbs even in winter. Designed with a robust cooling system, the light features a fireproof polycarbonate and aluminum back cover that ensures durability and effective heat dissipation without any noise. Installation is straightforward with included power cords, steel ropes, and adjustable ropes, allowing customization to meet plant needs at every growth stage. The grow light's design is crafted for ease of use with a focus on providing optimal conditions for plant growth and minimizing energy consumption. Beelux offers excellent customer support with a promise of friendly, professional 24-hour online assistance for any inquiries.